How to log in into Hancock Whitney Bank online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you want and in the search URL type in Hancock Whitney Bank login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now from this interface navigate to the first link, that is www.hancockwhitney.com, and click on it. After that you will get to the official web page of Hancock Whitney Bank. And on this interface you will have this login portal in your right hand side. So first of all, in order to log in, you have to choose your account type. Click on this drop down menu and from here you get to choose your account type. Here I have personal online banking, so click on it. Under that you have to enter your username associated with your account. Make sure you type in your correct username. Under that there is a password, so type in your correct password associated with your account. After that, click on this button that says view your account to log in. Or in case if you don't have an account yet, you can go to this link that says enroll now and then create a new account in Hancock Whitney Bank online banking. Or in case you forgot your username or password, there is a link that says can't log in. Click on it and that will help you out to recover your account. Now, after you provide your username and password, all you have to do is click on this button, view your account, and with that you will be logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.